Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how to see your saved Wi-Fi password on your laptop. You are seeing I'm connected with a Wi-Fi from my laptop. So first of all you have to go to control panel. Then you have to go to network and internet. Then you have to go to here network and sharing, view network status and tasks. Then you have to click on here, then wireless properties, then go to security, then show characters. Now you are seeing this is my saved Wi-Fi password. Now we know the Wi-Fi password is, and we can use this password for our another device, another mobile or another laptop of your own. Thank you guys. If you like my video, if you want to get more videos from me, more useful videos from me, then please like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel. And if you want to immediately notify to get new videos from me, then please click on the bell icon of after subscribe button. Thank you guys. See you next time.